Did you know that only 55% of Americans invest in the stock market, despite its proven potential for building wealth? Let us explore why that is and why you can join the investing world with confidence. Hi, I am Irene, your guide to mastering the art of investing. Today, we are diving into how you can confidently navigate the investing landscape and start building your financial future. Many beginners face hurdles like a lack of knowledge, fear of taking risk, and not knowing where to start. These challenges can be daunting but are not insurmountable. Let us break it down. Investing is not just about stock. It's also bonds, real estate, and more. Diversification is the key. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investment can reduce risk. We will also cover some basic strategy to get you started, from opening an investment account to choosing the right assets. The most crucial insights: starting early can dramatically enhance your financial wealth. Thanks to common interest, even small investments grow significantly over decades. Today, we cover the basics you need to start investing with confidence. Understanding different assets, the power of diversification, and the impact of starting early. One more tip on how to make smart investment decisions: subscribe for more video. Share your investing question and experience in the comments below. And let us build wealth together. Please let us know if you need any of our services: bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, data visualization. And for now, thank you so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye for now.